Como anda todo mi gente? Welcome back to the video. We're back with another vlog, and today we're actually gonna do maintenance on my truck. We're gonna do some brake pads, rotors. We're gonna do an oil change as well. You know, get it right for the weekend. Today's Saturday, and I don't know when you guys will be watching this video, but let me show you what we got going on today. So as you guys can see, we got both rotors right here, front and rear. We got a caliper. So my caliper is sticking. It pulls when I'm braking, it pulls me to the side. So I'm guessing it's a bad caliper, it's sticking. So we're gonna replace that. Hopefully that fixes the problem. We got brake pads and oil change. So we got a long way ahead of us. Get to work. Realmente, pues ya como ven, pues ya quité todo el desmadre ahí. I got everything off already. And what's it called? Ready to go. I'll probably clean it up a little bit. And here's the rotor we took off. It's not too bad, but it did have some uneven wear. So I'm gonna be replacing that. We got the brand new one right here. Shout out AutoZone. So let's get it going. The pads weren't too bad as well. They look fairly new, but got warranty, so might as well replace them, right? Let's get it. We still got 3 more sides to go. Si no más quedó. So I finished this side already. About to put the wheel back on and swap over to the other side. Let's go.
Si me piden un paro, yo con gusto en lo que pueda echo la mano. Y los que no me conocen dirán cómo la hace de verga ese vato. Pasan con mis amigos, saben que soy muy tranquilo. Yo no me ando con mamadas, con ellos siempre ando al tiro. Y yo empecé desde abajo, batallando, también le anduve perreando.
Alright guys, so we finished this side already. Got new rotors, brake pads, new caliper in there. So put the wheel back on. We're ready to go because I'm running late. I gotta go get a haircut. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. We come back, do an oil change, finish everything up. Let's get it going.
Las vueltas de la vida marcaron los tiempos malos, ¿quién diría? El instinto me la paso, recorro de arriba abajo, donde quiera me conocen y soy muy solicitado.
Alright guys, so I'm back from my haircut and now we're gonna actually finish up the truck. We gotta do an oil change left, and then I finished the front already. I did both rotors and pads, both sides. I gotta do the rear too as well, but I think I'm gonna do that another video or another day, because it's getting late already and it's Saturday, so we hit the road. You know, we gotta do something one other day. But yeah, I'm about to knock out this oil change and let's get it. This thing is dirty. Any good detailers, hit me up. And I got this 4-wheeler, it's my cousin's, but I think it's dead, so I need to get that thing back up and running. We can have some fun, some more content for you. Here's the oil we're going with today. Should be ready to go. Knock it out a couple minutes, 15-20 minutes, should be ready to go. Give you guys a nice cold start. Let's get it.
Puro bajo perfil viejo.
Primo just pulled up. Got the SS going. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a quick break. Ahorita voy a echar un taco. Unas carnitas, una chelita aquí con el primo y hooked it up with tacos. Echar un break. We'll get back to it. Got another homeboy pulling up. Look at him. Oh yeah. Dropped an alley. Here we know. We're out here. Boy Paco. Static box. You know what it is. We got the oil change. We got a new drain plug in there, new oil filter. I'm gonna lower it, put new and put the new oil in. Let's get it. JOP here. Static box in the building. Here we know. But yeah, let's get it.
Si me piden un paro, yo con gusto en lo que pueda echo la mano. Y los que no me conocen dirán cómo él hace de verga ese vato. Pues con mis amigos saben que soy muy tranquilo. Yo no me ando con mamadas, con ellos siempre ando al tiro. Y yo empecé desde abajo, batallando también le anduve perreando. Las vueltas de la vida marcaron los tiempos malos, ¿quién diría? El instinto me la paso, recorro de arriba abajo, donde quiera me conocen y soy muy solicitado. Puro bajo perfil viejo.
Alright guys, so we got that poured in already. We just gotta make sure we got no leaks down here. Cause that's not good. Oh shit, we leaking. Or no? Nah, we good. Alright guys, let's get it, see what we got. Got the oil change. We spilled a little bit of oil, but it should be alright. How we looking, Fox? How we looking? Smoking over here. We'll be alright. A little bit of oil, don't hurt nobody. Nomás. 6 look? 1500, nothing crazy. Bueno más. ¿Cómo ves tú, Pax? ¿Cómo ves aquí? Ah, tranquilo, Beto. ¿Qué hubo? Do it again. Now what? It's stuck. Sounds like a 5.3, bro. Está perra la troca, está perra. Of course. Bueno más, what do you think, Pax? Nice. Más o menos. So I ended up finishing everything on my truck today, and then we're just chilling. Everybody pulled up, so my trucks are here chilling. They got another truck from Lafayette. Primo Hugo's doing a sound system on it. I'll show you guys a little bit of that. Got Pax's truck over there. How's it going, vatos? ¿Se la llevan o no?
Vamos secos.
Saludcita. No seco, vale?
Vamos secos.
Pero yeah, I got the whole thing gutted already. Door panels off, everything. That guy went all out. 4-channel, subs, Twitters, the whole The whole 9 yards. What you gotta say, Box?
Ando seco.
Quiero beber cerveza. Quiero una cerveza.
Ahí nomás. Daron agua al niño. But yeah, pretty clean truck. Sick. Ahora sí anda seco todavía, Paco. Saludcita, pues. Uy, nomás. Pero ya anda aquí. Making progress. Keep you guys updated. A ver qué pedo. ¿Qué hacemos hoy? ¿Qué hay que hacer hoy, raza? Pistear, hizo la plebada. Perro. So how's it going? What's the update, mi rey? What's going on here? Let us know.
I mean, we got it working. They sound.
We got
So
some.
speaking,
We got power.
we got power.
I guess the customer wanted to go with some DS18s. He said he got it hooked up. We got some over there too. Got them going.
We gotta hook up the front one.
I guess we gotta hook up the front one still. Cheap ass stock ones. No good. Trash. DS18s all around. 4-channel. What are you doing to it?
4-channel subs.
4-channel subs. Stereo. You did a stereo.
Yeah, stereo's done.
Stereo's done already.
Twitters.
All in 9 yards.
Oh yeah.
What do you gotta say about that, Box?
Sounds clean.
Sounds pretty good. Hell yeah. Quality work. Tap in. Let's get it going. Oh yeah.
Acá con algo de los tocaditos, compadre, instrumental, ranchero alegre. Se llama Ofelia y márquele, compa Melesio.
So that right there was stock stereo. That's pretty much all stock from the head unit. We still gotta go put the 4-channel in, so it should sound a lot louder. Is that right, mi rey? Hell yeah. Making progress. Let's go. So, Box. Hay otro camarada aquí. Hoy nomás. Little clean extendo. Pound truck. Llegó la plebada, se arrimó la plebada a la cásera. Hoy nomás. Se dejó caer toda la raza. We got a full house today. Boy Christian pulled up. And he's banana. Rudy's back, I guess. He's back. Got a full house today. Block up the alley like always. Yeah, everybody pulled up. Mira, you still not done? Looks like he ain't making no progress. But yeah, he's getting there. It's a one-man job. Ain't that easy, huh? Hell no. We outside. Nos fuimos. Andamos perdidos, andamos acá por no sé dónde. Venimos al Halloween Store a ver qué encontramos de costume y con la gente. A ver qué encontramos, raza, a ver qué sale. A ver qué nos compra acá el camarada Julio. Ah, qué ojo.
Esa madre parece mi moto, güey.
Saludos, Julio, saludos aquí en el pinche video. Cierro. ¿Qué se compró, Paquito? ¿Qué se compró aquí en la...
Una pinche clama.
Esto bueno, cubo máscara.
Quítate la máscara. Quítatela, güey.
Ya es toda, güey.
Ya vienen para ahora.
No, no es clean el blog.
Sí, ni modo, virrey.
Es que como les digo, ya salieron aquí, ¿verdad?
A ver, virrey.
Y el que decía.
¿Cuál más, virrey? El verde. Paquito, el huevo. Dale topic del día de hoy, Pau. Yo me llamo Pau. Lola, güey. Me llamo Lala. Oh, Lala. Dipsy.
What's my name?
Dipsy. Cierro. So we're at the store now. Ended up buying a Teletubby outfit. What'd you get?
Yellow.
Got the yellow. Hell yeah. Alright, we'll catch you guys in the next one when we get ready, go to the party. Catch you in the next clip. Alright guys, I forgot to record, but here's a little clip of Bax leaving the liquor store. Alright guys, so that'll be the end of this video. Catch you on the next one.